Mr. Chairman and members of the committee, good morning. My name is Paul Rolig, and I live in District 15 in West Boise. Thank you very much for hearing this bill. I am a member of the Board of Directors of Humanists of Idaho, and I'm also a media contact for the Treasure Valley Coalition of Reason. TV Corps is an umbrella organization of half a dozen secular groups in southwest Idaho, and I represent non-religious voters throughout our state. We support this bill as written because, as mentioned in the Affirmations of Humanism, we attempt to transcend divisive parochial loyalties based on race, religion, gender, nationality, creed, class, sexual orientation, or ethnicity, and strive to work together for the common good of humanity. It is way past time to extend this civil rights protection to our gay, lesbian, and transgender brothers and sisters. Mr. Chairman, opponents of this act have claimed that it creates special rights, when the truth is it does precisely the opposite, namely it protects equal rights. Why do those opponents bear false witness on this point? They give other completely illogical arguments. Opponents have claimed that this act is not needed because there is no discrimination against gay and lesbian people now. However, now that this act is actually being heard, opponents suggest that they should be given special rights to be exempt from it. In other words, so they can continue to engage in exactly the kind of discrimination they have been claiming does not happen now. The clincher is that they want to base these special rights on their religion. Our view is that all Idaho citizens should live by the same laws and rules. Idaho citizens have complete freedom of religion to attend any church, temple, synagogue, mosque, kingdom hall, or coven that they wish, or none at all, and to conduct their own lives accordingly. Freedom of religion is not threatened in any way by treating one's fellow citizens as equals. Therefore, we oppose special rights for religious people to discriminate. Mr. Chairman, many of those who have testified here seem to believe that the large plaque on the wall behind you depicts the Great Seal of the Church of Idaho. I hope that you and the members of this committee remember that it actually depicts the Great Seal of the State of Idaho. I hope that you also remember that one of the bedrock principles on which our great nation was founded is that church and state are to be separate. Please do pass House Bill 2 as it is written. Please do not amend it. Thank you.
Are there questions? Thank you, sir.